Chef Pennington here. Today we're going to talk about how to cook the perfect scallop, something that has been challenging for so many cooks, myself included, and this is a process that I've come up with, and I promise you guys, you're going to end up with beautiful scallops just like I got right here in the photo, no problem. Let's get started. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to use some clarified butter and a cast iron skillet. Those are two of the keys that I believe really helps get that beautiful caramelization that we're going to get on our scallop. So let's talk about clarified butter. What is clarified butter? Clarified butter is butter where we remove the water and the milk solids. Those milk solids burn, which causes you to have a lower smoke point, which means harder to get some caramelization on things like scallops at times. So all those bubblies and goodness there at the top, that is the butter. That's the milk solids. And we're going to scrape them up and we're going to get rid of them. That is not what we want. And then what we're going to be left with is high quality fat, which is what clarified butter is. Fat is flavor, so we're going to use flavor today. So we're going to get some clarified butter in the pan, and notice that it's not spitting and spattering. It's hot, it's medium hot, but it's not scorching hot. And people often say screaming pan and all this stuff, and they're just wrong. We're not trying to burn stuff today. Medium high heat. So you guys can see that it's definitely cooking. See that, right around the edges, we're looking for that brownness. That's going to let us know that this is cooking and that the natural sugars in the scallop are doing their job. Look, that's beautiful, guys. That took about a little over 90 seconds to cook. It really doesn't take that long. And then the other side, about the same. It's good to potentially undercook your scallops because there's a little bit of carryover cooking. And voila, you guys have got awesome scallops. Hope you guys enjoy this and give it a try. Let us know. We'd love to have you on social media. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed. All this information and more about scallops will be in a link below, and you'll have the best.